Developing with Raspberry Pi. So this is the Raspberry Pi, as you probably know. So let me just actually I could have used OpenELEC. However, OpenELEC is a little bit complicated for my regular friends or family, so I decided to come up with a media center of my own. So let me just open this thing. Okay, so it has a user interface, and basically the thing is it'll be controlled with the iPhone or Android phones. So I'm going to be showing you the user interface for that mobile app as well. So this is it. I only have the iPhone yet, but it will have a Android version as well. So it's opening. I just put a splash screen with XBMC. Anyway, when it opens, it'll show us a code, a remote control code, where I can put the code, enter the code here in the mobile application here. So when I enter this mobile application code, then it actually gets this is the code and the number of remotes connected, and basic controls with HDMI CEC controls. I can press on green button. Green button opens up the wireless controls. I can go back and restart and shut down and stuff like that. Anyway, I have only 2 apps right now. I have in this mobile application, I have came up with an idea to have different apps for this device. The apps don't appear in the TV interface. Instead, they appear in the mobile device interface, which makes a little bit more sense if you ask me. So, for instance, if you go to YouTube, or if I go to movies, for instance, if I see these movies, this is basically Popcorn Time's same database and same concept. So if I open up the Popcorn Time here, it actually shows the same videos. I mean, this is not Popcorn Time, I've developed it myself, but same concept. So for instance, let's say I go next, and the same visual stuff, the same grid of items appear in the television as well. So when I click on, for instance, a movie, it opens, showing the IMDb score, etc. I can watch the trailer right here. I can press the trailer button, and the TV streams the Raspberry Pi streams the. I don't have to have the iPhone open. I can close turn off the iPhone, standby iPhone, shut down the application, etc. It doesn't matter. Excuse me. So, as you can see, the trailer now began playing. So, I can control the playback of the video here in the second tab. For instance, if I go like here, seeks to that position, or I can seek 30 seconds back, or pause, play, or stop the video. So anyway, if I go back here and click on subtitles, for instance, let's pick a subtitle here, and as you can see, I have these different video sources, and these all come from the Eufy's website API. So I mean, these all get updated when Eufy updates their API, their database. So I'm not actually responsible for putting all the torrents, etc. here. So anyway, when I click on 720p, it says downloading subtitle. Again, I don't need the application, the mobile device anymore, so it streams the torrent, and it should begin like so. So it plays the movie, and if I go back to the application, it has the, you know, almost 100 minutes of play. So I can go here and it streams the video. Anyway, let me just turn this thing off. When I go to YouTube, this is also an application I did using the YouTube APIs. So when I just click on one video, and I can click on play here in this application, in this mobile device, or I can click on play in TV, which I just did. So when I click on play in TV, it just streams the YouTube video with Raspberry Pi. And actually, this is the same thing as the trailer, so not very surprising. Anyway, this is an open source project, by the way. Anyone who's interested can get the source codes, etc., or contribute, stuff like that. Thanks for watching.